Good morning, how you doing? I am Chris Thompson here in Germantown doing a property management checkout on this thing here. We'll see you inside. Alright, so come spring we're going to need to trim the tree. Good morning. Good, how are you? A little cleanup on the outside, probably just a power wash. Back of the house looks good. Gutters are definitely due for a cleaning. And foyer. Main level, carpet's in great shape. Windows are good. Got his little soft spot here. New faucet, new garbage disposal, everything else is working great. Need to get a new igniter for the fireplace. Upstairs, hall bath. Everything looks great. Master. Master bath. Bedroom 2.